Understanding Online Privacy, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very relevant and important topic in our digital world: online privacy. We'll break down what it means, why it's important, and how it impacts our daily lives. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, this guide is designed to help you understand online privacy in a simple and engaging way. Let's dive in. Online privacy refers to the protection of your personal information and activities when you use the internet. It's about having control over what information about you is collected, how it's used, and who can see it. When we talk about personal information, it includes things like your name, address, email, photos, and even the websites you visit. Understanding online privacy is crucial because it helps protect you from identity theft, scams, and unwanted marketing. In this digital age, we share a lot of information online. This can be through social media, online shopping, or even just browsing. But why should we care about keeping this information private? The main reasons are: 1. Security. Protecting your personal information keeps you safe from hackers and identity thieves. 2. Control. It's about having a say in who gets your information and what they can do with it. 3. Freedom. Good online privacy practices allow you to express yourself freely without fear of being judged or monitored. Protecting your online privacy might seem complicated, but it's actually quite straightforward. Here are some easy steps you can take. 1. Use strong passwords. Make sure your passwords are complex and unique for each account. 2. Be careful what you share. Think twice before posting personal information on social media. 3. Check privacy settings. Regularly review the privacy settings on your social media and other online accounts. 4. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest news on online privacy and data protection. Let's bust some common myths about online privacy. 1. Myth: I have nothing to hide, so online privacy doesn't matter to me. Truth: everyone has something worth protecting, like personal data that could be misused. 2. Myth: only tech-savvy people can manage online privacy. Truth: with basic knowledge and awareness, anyone can manage their online privacy effectively. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of online privacy and why it matters in our interconnected world. Remember, taking steps to protect your online privacy is not just about security. It's about safeguarding your freedom and control in the digital space. Stay safe online, and see you in our next video.